That's where they really beat expectations there, Airbus. And we saw this revenue flat compared to the first quarter, down just 2%. But that free cash flow number there before M&A and customer financing at 1.2 billion. So that was way above expectations. And they had some positive comments there. But overall, and we saw from their delivery numbers, they delivered 125 aircraft in the first quarter. That's better than the first quarter of last year. But overall, they're still very cautious. There is a very uneven path to recovery going ahead, and that's why they kept the guidance that they gave early in February, and that's basically to deliver about 566 aircraft like in 2020. But like they said, that the path ahead might be difficult, but we had some very positive comments as well in the conf call this morning from CEO Guillaume Faury. They said that now it's a bit too fast to talk about recovery, demand recovery, but that the tipping point for demand recovery it could be coming just as this summer. Another interesting comment is that they said that Airbus will look at freight in the future very seriously, and that's traditionally a very stronghold, a key stronghold of Boeing, of competitor Boeing. So these comments are also very interesting looking ahead, and they're looking at ramping up production. They confirmed that they will slowly ramp up production in Q3 and Q4. They had cut down production, of course, to react to the crisis last year, but they will ramp up slowly, and they're talking again they're planning a steep ramp up tentatively for 2022 and 2023, as they expect to be in the first line of those that could benefit from the recovery and travel starting ahead. And they've seen already some very positive signs in the domestic market in the US and in China. Well, there's still a lot of uncertainty when it comes to, of course, international travel and, of course, travel in Europe just yet. But looking ahead, they say they are on track on meeting their guidance. And remember that Airbus has been through this huge restructuring, this huge change to face this crisis. They've cut down production, as I said. They've cut 15,000 jobs across their countries. They reduced the production rate. They have done this huge management shake-up, the largest one since Guillaume Faury became CEO 2 years ago, making it a tighter, smaller executive committee. And they've changed their whole manufacturing blueprint announced just last week. So they're working on the industrial tool, changing their strategy, changing the way they do things to adapt to the new demand and be placed in a good position when the recovery comes into place. But at the moment, from what we've seen in Q1, do not extrapolate these numbers just yet, but they have some positive signs, so positive comments there coming from the CEO. And we see this reaction on the market with the shares up 2.3% on the CAC 40. Juliana.